Hey guys, welcome to Scale Model Alberta. Really appreciate you stopping by. I know the world just keeps getting faster and faster. It's nice just to take a little minute and sit down and watch some bullshit on YouTube and let your mind just go bleh. So anyway, we have here the Amusing Hobbies Panther 2. Great kit. Get that out of the way right now. It's a great kit. It fits well. It's as accurate as it can be. So yeah, I like the kit. So what I wanted to do is build this as if it was an active service, say 1950. So it's a little bit more modern. The war has slowed right down. The Allied invasion of Normandy failed. Churchill passed away. Roosevelt passed away through an unfortunate accident. The entire British royal family was killed in a V1 bombing raid. So the war just keeps plugging away. Germany still is occupying most of Western Europe, and the United States is slowly drawing back because everybody's sick of it. So they've just decided to let the Europeans go at it, so we've still got the Russians and the Germans beating the crap out of each other. And this is what this tank represents. The continuing war of 1935 set this tank 1950. So what I did was I wanted to give it a different paint camouflage. Now this camouflage is what you'd see pretty much on the late model Hetzers and some of the late model tanks that were coming out of the factory. I don't even know if any examples made it to the factory in this kind of camouflage. Basically what I've got, I use the Atom paint set for the late model Tiger tank, and they include this really cool cream color. And I added that just in bands. This is the 6003B green paint, and this is the 8013 chocolate brown. Now all these decals, of course, you don't normally see on World War II tanks. Like I said, it's 1950. The war has slowed right down. There's just a little bit more. There's less urgency to the war. So we've got the weight for bridges. We've got the right here we've got the license plate numbers, the hull number for the tank, the divisional markings for this, the tank serial number there, the regiment that it belongs to. Now you see this kind of painting on the modern Leopards. For some reason they'll paint the center caps bright orange, and then I used kind of gold coloring on these drive bolts to indicate a grade 8 type bolt. They usually come gold in most. If you look closely at a Leopard, you'll see gold bolts on the running gear, and I kind of wanted to replicate that. Now on the back, one thing that it did not come with is these anti-flame exhaust pipes. That's the thing that was going on all the new German tanks in 1945. So I thought it would make the most sense to roll it over here. I went and found one of my Panther kits that I had put into a early model, I think it was an early model G, which didn't use that type of exhaust. So I scabbed that one from that tank and put her on. Once again, you see we've got some more license plates here, and I've also added stenciling in places, like, you know, stenciling on top of the lids here, stenciling on the gun cleaning tube, stenciling on the turret back here for servicing the heater fan, and we've also got some warnings on all of the I don't know if they're laser rangefinders or how the German rangefinders were working then. So they're on the rangefinders. There's some nasty chemical in there that you don't want to touch. I added the fire extinguisher where I thought it should be, and I deleted all the side tools. I just didn't think that that looked right, just from an aesthetic point of view. That I hate all that crap cluttering up the edges of these, and to me it just made sense that, you know what, they didn't need that. They just quit packing so much crap. So yeah, great kit, really nice kit. I thoroughly enjoyed this build. That's another Amusing Hobbies, highly rated so far. I've built the mouse, excellent, from Amusing Hobbies. I've built Panther 2 with the Henchel turret. This one has the Henchel turret, and I've also built the Panther 2. Did I say Tiger 2? I may have said, I've been saying Tiger 2 through this whole fucking video. It's a Panther 2. Man, I gotta put away the purple monkey. Holy Christ. Yeah, Panther 2 with a Henchel turret. Henchel made all the, made most of the stuff for the Tigers. I think that's where I got it from. But no, this is a Tiger 2 with the Henchel turret. So, it's a good build. And if you're so inclined, thumbs up, thumbs down. Just some interaction certainly helps. I'm trying to get back up on the horse for doing videos, and I've got another 2 months to do videos, so hey, let's have at it, boys. Take care. Thanks for watching.